Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle in this puzzle page of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's still Saturday, March the 4th, 2023. In this puzzle page we have 6 extra puzzles. The first one I've already solved, the Sudoku with 2 stars. Then we have a puzzle with 4 stars, Sudoku with 4 stars, the Killer Sudoku, 2 binaries, 10 by 10, and the last one is a tectonic with with no stars. But first, let me continue with the Killer Sudoku. I will do 4 of them, 4 out of 6, and this one will be number I believe 6062. Yeah, 6062. And we have here 3 given numbers. Yeah, 3 given numbers. Given number 8 in the box of 12. That means the combination here will be 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. We have a given number 3 in the box of 8. Means the combination here will be 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Then we have a given number 2 in the box of 3. The combination here will be 2 plus 1. Alright. For Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus in the additional, it will be a 3 stars. Yeah. For 20 to 30 minutes, I need for 20 to 30 minutes I need yeah, for 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. My first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. I'm looking for a big square with only 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1. And this one has 1, 2. So we have 1 big square with 1 sharing box. What you need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. Here we have a column with 1 sharing box. Okay. Here we have a column with 1 sharing box. Okay. The total sum of a row is always 45. Okay. So let me count all these numbers, and eventually I know what number this will be. So we have here 10, 10 is 20, 20 plus 15 is 35, 35 plus 8 is 43. So 45 minus 43 is a 2. Alright. In the box of 7, the combination will be 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Now, we have a big square with 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So, 4 plus 16 is 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. 25 plus 4 is 29. 29 plus 8 is 37. So, 45 minus 37 is an 8. In a box of 12, the combination here will be 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Alright. Then, let me see. Here we have 2 sharing boxes. Okay, my next strategy, let me check for the columns. Here we have a complete column. If you count all these numbers, you will have the total sum of 45. Here we have also a column, complete column. Well, this one has 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 11 plus 11 is 22. 22 plus 7 is 29. 29 plus 15 is 44. 44. Yeah, 44. That means 45 minus 44 is a 1. Okay. In this triple box of 7, that means that those two boxes together should be a 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Okay, now this column has also one sharing box. Here we have 2. Okay, 6. Now this one has also 1 now. Okay, let me see. 8 plus 12 is 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 12 is 42. So 45 minus 42 is a 3. In a box of 5, the combination will be 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, then let me see. Here, 2 will be difficult. This one has also 1. If I count all these numbers, I know what number this will be. So 10 plus 2 is 12. Plus another 12 is 24. 24 plus 20 is 44. Is this correct? Yeah, 44. 44. So 45 minus 44 is a 1. All right. This one. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 8 plus 6, these two boxes together is 6, is 14. 14 plus 13 is 27. 27 plus 10 is 37. So 37, 45 minus 37 is an 8. In a box of 15, the combination will be 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Alright, then we have in this column one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 13 is 28. 28 plus 11 is 39. So 45 minus 39. 45 minus 39 is a 6. Okay. In this triple box of 11, that number should be 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. Alright. Now, my next strategy. I'm looking for boxes with only one combination. One combination. For example, the box of 4. There's only one combination for the box of 4. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. Let me scan. Box of 16. Only one combination. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. Let me see. The box of 3. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. We have a 1 in this row. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Let me check. Are there more boxes? No. That's all. Alright. Then let me see. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row will be 3 in the second row. Only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. Well, here I cannot place the 1 here in the box of 12. Otherwise, the combination will be 1 plus 11. 11 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is the number 9. So it should be in the box of 10. Combination will be 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9. Well, we have a 1 in one of those two boxes in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in one of those two boxes in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. In the box of 10, the combination will be 1 plus 9. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the most 1. The 2 is missing, 2 and a 6. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 6 goes there. So now we have 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 5 and a 7. 5 and a 7, let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, so 2 numbers left here in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is... The 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. In the box of 11, the combination will be 8 plus 3 In the box of 13, the combination will be 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. Okay. 2 numbers left. Well, 1 number left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 2 is equal to 13. Alright? Okay. Then. 8. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 missing numbers in this row. First row. One of the missing number in the first row is number 7. Well, I cannot place the 7 in the box of 14 or there. We have 2 boxes of 14. Otherwise, I need another 7. Double 7 is not allowed. Double numbers is not allowed. So the 7 should be here in the first row. In the box of 11, the combination will be 7 plus 4. Alright. Okay. So now, we have 2 in this column, the 2, so wait, 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. You see here 2 in the list, this last row, so no 2 there. Here 2 in the row above, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. In the box of 7, the combination will be 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Alright, so 2 boxes left, the box of 15 and the box of 11 in this column. One of the missing number is the 8 here. I need an 8 in this column. Well, I cannot place the 8 in the box of 15 because then the combination will be 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7. We already have a 7 in this column. So, cannot be here in the box of 15. So, it must be in the box of 11 then in this column. 8 plus 3. Should be 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. So, 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 and the 9. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. We have a 6 in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 9 goes there. Alright. Then. Yeah. How about this big square? One of the missing number is a 5 in this big square. Well, I cannot place the 5 in the box of 10. Otherwise, I need another 5. Double 5 is not allowed. So here can be a 5 and there can be a 5. So the 5 should be in the box of 8. Combination will be 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. Okay. One of the missing number is a 1 in this big square. We have a 1 in this column. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 should be in a box of 10. Combination will be 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 4 and a 6. 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 9 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 9 and 7. We have a 9 in this row. So no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. We have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3 and a 1. We have 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 now in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. 1 digit left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Then. 7 and 3, 7 and 5, yeah. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. If I place the 7 in the box of 12, then the combination will be 7 plus 5. Well, the 5 is already used. Look, we already have a 5 here in this big square. So I cannot place the 7 there. The 7 should be here. In the box of 10, the combination will be 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 and 8. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. We have 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 8 in this column, last column. 8 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. In the box of 14, the combination will be 8 plus 6. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 2 numbers are left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 5 is equal to 18. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 3 is equal to 16 in this triple box of 16. So now we have 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 and a 9. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 7 and a 5. We have a 5 now in the second row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright, and now 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. You see here 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then. How about the 1 in this column, the 1 in that column? So the column between the middle column, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. You see here 1 this row, no 1 there. Here 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. In the box of 13, the combination here will be 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. In the box of 12, here will be the combination 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. Alright, so we have the 9 in this column, the 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. In the box of 11, the combination here will be 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. So we have 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes together should be a 6. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 in this triple box of 7. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the middle row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the man. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. And the last 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. 7 and 8, we have an 8 in the third row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. The binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.